Yo, what is going on, everybody? Lottery Stocks here. Today we have another AMC stock price prediction video for you guys, and there's more than just that, and I'm going to give my exact point as to when I think AMC is going to have this next big run-up. And there's reasons for this, and we're going to have it right in this video. We're not going to roll the intro or outro for this video that we've created because, as you guys can see, this is a raw recording, okay? No edits, no cuts, whatever. This is being recorded and uploaded to YouTube. Without further ado, guys, please smash the like. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing I wanted to point out is Unusual Whales posted this: 240 million in crypto liquidations in the past 24 hours and left the link. Now this is very interesting because a lot of times when you see the market selling off, right, or these squeeze plays about to run, have a next leg up, a lot of hedge funds or people with bigger buying power start liquidating crypto positions. So this is a great thing to see, and it's a beautiful thing to see for AMC and GameStop potentially. But the next thing we're going to go over is the SPY. Now, shout out to Lion Trader. He put out a video, AMC technical analysis to Volkswagen, and then he correlated the SPY in with this. And the basic breakdown was we're looking for a market crash and its potential, right? It's not a guarantee that a market crash would benefit AMC, but, you know, hedge funds hedge. And when they're losing all of their money in long positions, it's not enough to be able to, you know, they're not making enough on these short positions, declining with the overall market to weigh it out evenly, right? It's going to be closer to margin calls and closer to bigger problems, you know, for these squeeze plays, right? It's going to be better for us if the market starts selling off. And if we just take a look at the market as a whole and where it's at, this does not look good. It doesn't look healthy. It really doesn't. And, you know, right, what I have drawn out here, we're going to get into, and why I have May 5th lined up on the chart right here. But overall, this is the projection right now on the SPY, and it's as simple as it is, and it's keeping it as simple as that, right? Until you get a breakout of this overall downtrend, right? A candle up here, you know, breaking 448 or getting over 450 or something crazy like that. This downtrend is still in play, okay? So overall, I do believe this is to be better for AMC, GameStop, MULN, BBIG, whatever you want to play. Now, there was something that I wanted to point out. Fibonacci time zone extension. It hasn't missed yet. What happens next? Shout out to Aggravating Let 504 right here. If you guys want to go follow him on Reddit. This was posted in our AMC stock and was shown to me by an awesome member of the channel, Gary. Shout out Gary. But we have the screen right here, and I set it up exactly how he set it up, you know, just to take a look at what was actually happening. So if we pull this up right here, I don't want to waste too much time, right? This is ultimately what you're looking at, okay? And it's absurd the way that this lines up, okay? And we can honestly hide all drawings for you, right? Come down, okay? Sorry about that. I want this as close as possible so you guys can actually see it, right? You come down here, and you're going to see that I have it lined up exactly where, you know, it was lined up. I don't know why this is okay. All right, this is taking a little bit longer than I did expect, but here you go. Here you guys go. Okay, this is lined up the same over here, and this is the Fibonacci time zone. Okay, this is the Fibonacci time zone, and what you have is this is where it's overlaying, right? Put the time zone right here, right here. You guys can see this, that I projected this run up to a T, right? It didn't miss. And this run up to a T, it didn't miss, okay? And this is, you saw, right? You saw the dip right here. You saw this pre-dip right here. And about right around the zone for the Fib time zone, you saw a 5 to 6 day push before you actually hit those levels, right? Now, if that was the case and you were to see that again, right, what's to come next? This is where the next time zone is, okay? And what I have drawn out for you is the 5-day period, right? The 5-day period before you actually see something significant potentially happen, right? Because the next time zone is May 5th, okay? So if you give that a 5-day period for running, you're going to look at April 25th for, you know, the first moves to start being made. So I give from April 25th to about May 10th this time zone for the squeeze. And you can call me out on this And, you know, when the time comes, I'll admit if I'm wrong or if I'm right. But I do believe that somewhere in this time period, you're going to see that major next leg up. And I don't know how big it's going to be or how solid it's going to be, but it's definitely, you know, to come. Now, you're trading between these parallel lines, right? What happened today, AMC down about 3% to the T today. And there was a few weird things to go over. And the few weird things are the volume, okay? If you take a look at the volume, this candlestick right here was more volume than the entire day. Not the entire day in total, but every single 1 minute candlestick did not have quite as much as this volume, even in the opening candle. Okay, 621,000 in this candle, and it didn't even move. This was a good signal for a trend reversal, okay? Not only that, but it came right after we bottomed out here. Now, if you take a look, we bottomed out at about 1684, and then 1694, 1697, twice. And, you know, if we start curling back to the upside, this is a beautiful thing to see. But you also want volume to increase with it. Right now, honestly, I was expecting, you know, for the weekend price prediction for AMC to actually have a red week. But right now, this is what I'm ultimately looking at, and it's looking crazy. So if you take a look at the SPY, right, and correlate, you know, a market crash being good for AMC, the market getting to its lows being good for AMC, GameStop, right? This is the projection that you're looking at for the overall SPY, and honestly, it can sell off more. You guys know how the SPY does it, right? It could honestly just obliterate all the way up until this point. But overall, by the time May 5th comes, you're looking at a projection of somewhere back to these lows that you saw, right? Back to these lows that you saw February, March, these ugly, disgusting lows. And it's going to test these overall levels that it's tested several times. And you could potentially see that actually, see the dump actually come into play, come into projection, right? As for GameStop, you also saw this weird, major buy order, okay? Again, the volume, more than any candles throughout the entire day, right? It had a $3 jump from $140.37 to $143.62. So someone had a major buy order here and potentially was ready for a turnaround in the company, in the stock, whatever. Overall, guys, these are the main things that I wanted to take a look at today. But there are a few things we did go over in the live stream, you know, such as MULN and BBIG. And I do think these plays are getting very close as well with GameStop, these two in particular, to a big move. Something like this, exactly like this. And I think this time frame right now, MULN, BBIG, is a great time, not financial advice, to be accumulating shares, stacking up on shares of BBIG and MULN. These cycles, they happen, and it's just a matter of time, right? It's just a matter of time, and it's very soon, in my opinion. So overall, guys, that is what I got for you for this video, and I appreciate you all tuning in. Please smash the like. It gets this out to more people. If you want free stocks, hit the link in the description. Worth up to $3,500. You can sell them, you know, buy some AMC with it. All you have to do is deposit even a penny, a dollar, whatever, into Moomoo. Link down below. Overall, guys, that is it. Please consider subscribing. We are almost at 5K. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.